Alright, a problem that we all run into is where to store our fireworks in between shows. I just got this big knockdown wardrobe. I guess I can't make the screen any smaller, and we're not going to be able to see it because of lack of light. Anyway, it's got a lot of space in it. I've got quite a few fireworks in there. We should have brought a flashlight down here, Assistant Alan. He's using the light on the drill, working just a little bit. But anyway, keeps them up off the floor. Keeps them in an enclosed space. And to deal with humidity, I had some silica packs. Get a good deal on these from eBay. You buy them in bulk. They're about $5 a pack. Once a month or so, take them out, put them in the oven on 250 degrees for 2.5 hours to get the moisture out of these. And you're going to be keeping your fireworks nice, high and dry, and safe from harm. But I've got that big cabinet full. I've got a gun cabinet full here. I don't think you're going to be able to see underneath here. Here's all of my fusing equipment, my P1200 and all that kind of, well, part of my fusing equipment. I've got enough fuse to fill this little space up. Won't have to be buying any for quite a while. And we have, hold the video device, Assistant Alan. Hello, Assistant Alan.
What's up?
Let me move this just a little bit so we can get a picture of. Fireworks are heavy too. I don't know if you ever noticed. But we have, these kits are all taken apart. The only thing in here is the shells. I've got 6 boxes full of them. And here's more cannon fuse, 24-second fuse. And we've got, and we all know these little kits like this, you get 12 mortars and a tube in this great big box. So I always just take them apart and store them in a box. Throw in some desiccant packs to keep the moisture out. And there you go. Yeah, get the box closed. What do you think?
It's your fault.
My fault?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Then we've got these other little desiccant packs. It's all good. You want to keep the humidity down. So what do we have over here, Assistant Alan?
These nuts.
More fireworks. Oh my goodness. In another wooden cabinet.
Nuts.
The wood itself actually absorbs moisture from the air. Are these all? Oh, I can't get to them. That's awfully light. What is that, an empty box? Why am I taking up space with empty boxes? I think these are...
No, those are the ones that weren't full.
Those are the
that wouldn't fit in the ones. So you just put them in.
What I think they are full packs that I never... Boy, that's an awful lot of stuff to take out to get to that. I think they're full packs. Look, there's Squirrel. He's got this. And I got more in a china cabinet. Yeah, storing fireworks. What do we do? Keep them high, keep them dry. They'll last for a year or two. All right, we'll see you on the next video.